Hi all, welcome back to Lit Mode. Hope your preparation is going well. In this video, we will discuss about IBPS clerk men's strategy or working strategy. Now, why I am telling that will be your working strategy? Because you can see here that's a critical feedback from one of our subscriber who subscribed for our product last year. We got a call, and this aspirant is from Tamil Nadu, that at any cost, this candidate wanted to clear the exam at any cost. So we provided him the tools and everything, and you can see clearly here that we have got the feedback like 40 to 45 questions were directly from our material, and it did miracles in the exam, and we are trusted platform as said by the aspirant. So let's move, and we will also help you, and we hope that after the IBPS clerk mains exam in 2021 you will also come back and give similar kind of feedback and reviews to us. So if you don't know about us, do subscribe our channel, and let's begin. So first we will talk about cutoff. So this cutoff is of 2019. Okay, so you can see the cutoff here. The maximum cutoff for UR is around 56. Okay, but let's move to the next year like last year, and you can see the maximum cutoff for UR general category. You can see over here it was not more than 50. When I say 50, it's 100 marks. So if you are getting 100 to 120 marks, you can clear the exam from anywhere in India. Okay, but to be safe, I will ask you to target 120 plus score if in any case the cutoff goes higher. Why the cutoff may go higher? Because PNB has recently reported the vacancy of around 3000 something, but still last year the vacancy was around 13,000, and this year the vacancy is not going to be 13,000. So definitely the cutoff will increase, and that's why I am asking you to plan for a score which touches 120, because it depends a lot on the level of paper, the cutoff, and it varies state to state. So go for at least 120 marks. Now how to get that mark? You would be asking, or you would be thinking like how to get that mark. So many people have suggested many things on YouTube, but whatever I am going to tell you, that will be a working strategy, because that has worked for me as well as for 100 plus aspirants in last couple of years. And to be precise, I have also scored a lot of marks in this particular exam when I was preparing once. Now coming to the pattern of this exam, two sections are very scoring. This is general awareness and English language. Now you get 35 minutes for English and general awareness each. Then comes quant and reasoning. The quant constitutes 60 marks, and quant constitutes 50 marks, and reasoning constitute of 60 marks. But English and GA is the highest scoring marks, as I have seen with various scorecards. If you score at least 35 marks in GA and 25 marks in English, so you will get easily around 60 marks. Okay, and next 60 marks you have to get from reasoning and quant. Now how to break down and segregate and chalk down a proper plan, I will tell you in the further video, but the crux is like you have to score more in GA. In GA, target 35-40 marks, something like that. And if you are not strong in English, compensate that mark from reasoning and quant. If you are getting in English only 15 marks, compensate that 15 minus 10 marks from reasoning and quant. I think you are getting my point, because those aspirants who are good at English, they will definitely score much higher. So you will have to compensate that in reasoning and quant. So that should be a more and less strategy which should be applied on the overall paper. And time management is very important. Like you are getting 45 minutes in reasoning, so you have to score more in reasoning, and in quant you are getting 45 minutes. So again, in both these sections you can score considerable amount of marks, but in general awareness 35 minutes is more than enough. In English 35 minutes is good enough to score 25-30 marks if your good English is good. But if your English is not good, still you can manage with 15-20 marks to be accurate. So before going into the sections, first talk about reasoning. So in reasoning, you can see the segregation of 50 marks like sitting arrangement puzzle, direction sense, alphabet, inequality, logical reasoning, input output, coding decoding, silogs. All these stuffs has been asked. Now when you will see here, the maximum questions has been asked from puzzles. Okay, 25 questions. So you have to attempt at least 2-3 puzzles. If you are good at puzzles, go for all. But those who are not good at puzzle, they should start with the Silogs, coding decoding, means miscellaneous concepts. Okay, and these all, it looks like 4 2 3 6 4 3 3 3, something like that, but if you add all these, it still gives you around 25 to 30 marks. Okay, so these are also more than enough to give you 30 marks if you are not good at puzzle. So there are two school of thoughts for reasoning. First is, if you are good at puzzle, start from puzzle, try to get more marks from here and do all those easy steps from here. But if you are not good at puzzles, then go for these topics first: logs, input output, inequality, alphabet, coding decoding, and after that try to solve at least 2 puzzles, either of floor based or box based or something which you know and you are pretty confident enough. Now why this strategy should be followed, I have already mentioned in the previous video, so you can go to the I button and also check that out. Before moving to the next section, let me declare that the GK for RRB, SBI and IBPS is already out, and RRB PO, SBI PO, IBPS PO has already occurred, and our subscribers have done extremely well in these exams. You can go to the I button and also check out here at the right hand top side if you are using it from phone. And no material in the internet, available on the internet, worked in RRB PO and SBI PO. You can go and check out, and you can check out our videos also from the I button with proof. We have said that our aspirants have done well, and you can also listen to the aspirants feedback in these videos. Moving forward, let's talk about quant. Now this is the segregation of the quant section. So DI again is of 20 marks here, data sufficiency 5 marks, Q1 Q2 comparison 5, quadratic equation 5, and miscellaneous arithmetic problem 15 marks. So here you have to target DI. DI and miscellaneous is the best part over here. If your data sufficiency in Q1 Q2 is good, go for it, but this is very confusing for those whose basics are not clear. Those who have their basics pretty clear and got a good practice, they can do good in these two sections, but other people go for DI, quadratic and miscellaneous, and try to score at least 30 marks from here also, because quant is a very beautiful subject. Here you always get positive score if you do it correct, and it should be correct to get accuracy marks also. So in quant you have to follow like your own strength, you know your strength, so that should be a more and less accurate strategy, that go for those topics which you are pretty confident enough. Because see, you are not going to get around 1 hour for 30-40 questions, you are going to get only 45 minutes, and as we have seen in the past exams, the level is going a bit higher in case of SBI, IBPS and RRB exams. So that's why if you target those topics in which you are pretty confident, then only there is high chance that you will score more, and the score of accuracy is also there. So try to maintain the accuracy, so that in the case your all 100% answers are correct, you will get extra mark. Moving forward to the next topic, which is English. So in English, this is the segregation of 40 marks. Maximum score is from RC, 15 marks. Sentence rearrangement 5, double filler 5, sentence connector 5, word uses 5, word replacement 5. So to score more in English, you have to do at least couple of RCs. If you are not good at RCs, at least do few questions like sino ento, what the author wants to say, and few easy questions. So out of 15 questions, at least 5-7 will be doable. So pick 2-3 questions from here, and those who are good at English, go for all, and those who are not good at English, do only those questions in which you are pretty confident enough, and don't get confused. If you are getting confused in a question, just leave it, because in those questions where you are getting confused, there is a high chance that you will pick the wrong answer in that particular question. So please skip that question and try to score at least 25-30 marks in this section also. And it's doable, believe me, it's highly doable. Now let's talk about GK. So here you can see the last year GK questions. So military exercise was asked, theme of World Book Fair was asked, National Science Congress was held at which place? Percentage forest cover, UNESCO heritage. Rani Ka Vav was asked here. National Youth Day. Hemant Soren is the chief minister of which state? Peter Siddle belongs to which country? Great Himalaya National Park, Komanidu Hampi, NEFT, MDR. So you can see here that's a mix of static as well as current question, but the major portion is from current only. And there is financial awareness also. Here you can see financial awareness, banking awareness is also here, like this kind of question, NEFT daily. After that, merchant discount rate, now RBI news. These are definitely part of financial awareness. When we say financial awareness, many people get confused, like it is something technical, like you have to read capital market, bond market, and stuff like that. But no, it's not that way. It's basically whatever is happening around you in the financial space, in the economy, that's financial awareness. And as you can see here, Swift is asked, RBI related question is there. All are very static and current in nature. So that's not a bit technical, because this is exam of clerk, not RBI or SEBI. That's why they are not going to ask you in too deep. Here also you can see the questions like which bank has been merged with Punjab National Bank, deadline for digital payment number, limit for semi-closed PPI, and Brussels news again here of Belgium. Which bank will lead convener bank for UT of Ladakh? प्रधानमंत्री किसान विकास योजना, स्वच्छ सुरक्षा 2019, Kudankulam nuclear power plant, how many subsectors in MSME. So you can see again there is a question from cricket also, and the questions are not that much difficult, but yes, you need to have a very good and superficial knowledge of GK to clear this exam and score 40 plus in GK. And yes, people have done very good in this section. Last year our best scorer scored 46 marks in GK, and the final score was around 137 or 138, and got the exam clear from Haryana. And if you are aspirant from North India, so you should know that Haryana, Delhi, Bihar, UP, sorry, not UP, but yes, Haryana, Delhi, Bihar, this kind of states have very high cutoff because the seats are pretty low. So for GK, go to the description, check the link and subscribe as soon as possible. And you can also go to the I button here and check out the feedback and review in recently happened IBPS, PO, SBI PO exams. You can see the feedback also over here. Multiple selection of this guy. Apart from here, you can also see the feedback of this candidate. So basically what happens, I have talked to multiple aspirants, and what they have told us that they get around 500 pages of content every month. 500 pages of content from Telegram XYZ. So they go through that. After that, they also watch videos. After that, they also make notes. Still they are not getting 30-40% mark in GK. Yes, out of 50 marks, if you are following these strategies, because if you will go through 500 pages, you will have to revise also, and after watching videos you will make notes also, then you will have very less time to do MCQs also. After doing this, you will be left with very less time, so it will impact your QRE also. So that we have seen with multiple aspirants, whosoever come to us and say that they are facing difficulty in GK, we find a common pattern. They are following this strategy, and this strategy doesn't work for 99% public. This work for only those public who have interest in GK. If I ask you that who is Bolsonaro, so if you say that yeah, that guy is from Brazil, he is very anti-feminist, you know about the recent movement in Myanmar. When I ask you like what's the capital of Finland, so if you have that much of knowledge, you will definitely score good after following this strategy. But let me tell you, out of 10 aspirant, only one has interest in GK. Nobody has a deep interest in GK like me, and that's why that strategy is not going to work. So what should be the strategy? As a subscriber of us has recommended, we provide only 120 pages for last 5 to 6 months, and you will get at least 90% of question from our content. If you don't believe, you can see the scorecard also, and you can check the feedbacks also. So you can see again here, this guy was working hard but always lagging by 3 to 5 marks in mains, but first time he cleared RRB PO because of lit mode GK. Because by lit, what we mean leverage your time. So we mean leverage your time. We not waste your time, we leverage your time. So stay tuned and we will help you. So that's the feedback, and this content we will provide you. And this is the analysis by us of the last happening exams, and we find a pattern in the exams. We find the pattern. Going through that pattern, we create our content and we keep rectifying it according to the changed pattern. So we follow this feedback loop, and nobody in the market does that. What happens in the market? They teach you Patwari, Daroga, CDS, all kind of stuff in the name of bank exams, and you keep making notes. And I have seen aspirants who are making notes from last 5 years and not getting a single government job. That's a harsh reality. So again, you can see a feedback of SBI junior associate guy who has appeared and also cleared the exam. You can see whatever he's saying about our content also, and you can go through it after pausing the video. And around 700 people have got job because of us after joining us. And yes, these 700 people have used our content and they have revised our content at least 3 times. So you have also to revise our content at least 3 times, because see, we are providing you less content, but that doesn't mean you just mug up it for single time. You have to just rote learn it. You have to just memorize it at any cost, then only you will get the benefit. So join the lit movement, and this is our email ID and website. You can go to the website and check out our courses. If you have any doubt, mail us at hi@litmode.in and get a job in minimum time. That should be the target. Get the job in the first half of 2021 itself. Don't wait for second half or 2022, because if you are going to wait for second half, then definitely you will get the joining in 2022. So get the job in the minimum possible time. And IBPS clerk job is also good because they provide you the job in your home state. So that's a pretty good thing. So go for it. And the job also has a little bit less pressure compared to PO job. So you can also dream for RBI or UPSC or something like that, if you really mean that. Again, you can see the feedback of a guy who has scored pretty good and got a job in SBI, is from Bihar. And he has also mentioned about our content like repetition, reflection, and all those stuffs have helped him. So definitely. And these are multiple reviews from our trusted subscribers, and you can see people are scoring pretty good. This score is out of 40. So again, 70-80% mark they got easily. And you can see the feedbacks. He's also got a job in UCO Bank and only followed lit mode. So you can see people are scoring also very less mark. Like you can see here that he got only 3 marks in GK. And what was the reason? You can see clearly over here. Paid PDF of around 400 questions and something like that he is following, and that didn't work. So you can also WhatsApp at this number. Only WhatsApp at this number. We will also help you if you have any issue in any other sections also. So do WhatsApp at this number if you have any doubt related to our courses or anything personal. So we understand your condition. You need a job at any cost, and we are definitely working hard for you. So you have to also trust us and go for full confidence. And you can see here this guy has also scored around 70-80% marks in RBI grade B phase 1, and he has also provided the feedback. He was waiting for the scorecard, and as he's saying, कल आपका feedback लिख दूंगा, अभी ट्रेन में हूँ, feedback के साथ proof होना चाहिए. That's why I wait. So you can see over here how he has also performed very good, and that's why I'm telling you that just subscribe with full confidence. It's 100 rupee per month is nothing. You are getting a pretty decent job, and whatever knowledge we will provide you, that will eventually help you to gain confidence in the upcoming exams as well, like ECG CPO, RRB clerk, RBI grade B, and NPS also. So do join the journey and you will not regret, for sure, I promise you. In the description you will find the links of our social media like Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn. Do join us at every place. And if you watched this video and liked it, do hit the like button so that I come to know that you have liked this video, and also subscribe the channel to never miss a update from our lit mode. And do share if you think that your friend needs this, whosoever is in deep need of a job. Do share because sharing is caring. So thank you for watching the video and God bless you all.